Welcome to our full guide on how to delete your college information on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile. Step 3. Scroll down and locate the option Edit Public Details. Step 4. Next to the Details section, tap on Edit. Step 5. Under the Education section, find the pencil icon next to your college. Step 6. Tap on Delete School at the bottom of the screen. Then confirm your decision to delete your college information. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove your college details from your Facebook profile. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to delete your college on Facebook. Customize your profile by managing your education information effectively and maintaining control over the information you share on your profile.